Yes.
Okay. Because the helicopter just flew above my house. It's like really loud.
So you're gonna have to change your presentation into the mysterious helicopters over my house.
It's not mysterious.
Oh, okay.
It's not.
It's a helicopter.
Yes.
Okay. Yep. You can go ahead.
So good afternoon, everyone. May I ask, when you look out the window in the raining season, are you expecting it to be a heavy rain or just a drizzle? But have you ever thought about frogs and tiny fish falling from the sky instead? So today, I will represent one of the rare meteorological phenomenon, animal rains. And there's a report of this phenomenon going all the way back to the ancient Rome, and there are well documented cases in this century also that let us know animal rain is definitely a thing. And next I will talk about the explanation from what people believe in religious side and the scientific side. So in the book of Exodus chapter 8 verse 1 through 4 said and the Lord spoke to Moses, go to Pharaoh and say to him, thus say the Lord, let my people go, that they may serve me. But if you refuse to let them go, behold, I will smite all your territory with frogs. So the river shall bring forth frogs abundantly, which shall go up and come into your house, into your bedroom, on your bed, into your house of your servants, on your people, into your ovens, into your kneading bowl. And the frog shall come up on you, on your people, and on all over your servants. But then Pharaoh refused. So God cast down a rain of frogs on the Egyptian for their refusal to free the Israelites. According to the book of Exodus, it makes people believe that animal rain is God's punishment. And next, from the scientific explanation, how can animal get up in the air, right? So in the past, people thought maybe migrating birds were dropping their prey, but this day, most scientists and meteorologists consider this animal come from waterspout or tornadoes over open water, like oceans or large lakes. The waterspout that form a fair weather tends to be small, weak, and short-lived. But sometimes waterspout from when land tornadoes move out on the sea are dangerous storm. Waterspout can spin up to like 160 kilometers per hour and may pull up small objects in their funnel, like water, pebbles, and small aquatic animals. Occasional report of animal rain in place far from water could be explained by land-based tornadoes or other strong updraft instead. So the updraft can sweep up much larger animals than waterspouts, traveling birds and bats, as well as frogs, snakes, and like insects. And the second, what kind of animal and where are they coming from? So why they usually involve just one animal or even one species like frogs or fish, not a random mix of nearby aquatic life. So some scientists think that is because objects of similar size and weight fall out together as storm force down. Another possibility is that spout only pick things up when they densely cluster. But until we actually see animals getting pulled out of the water by spout, no one can really say what limits the storm's catch. In conclusion, there are still some ideas about animal rains that I didn't mention, like teleportation or the supersaccharcell sea, which is an atmosphere layer that some people believe animals were born and raised in the cloud and fell from the sky with rains. However, most people believe in scientists and meteorologists' scientific reason. Finally, animal rain is a real weather phenomenon that happens when small animals get swept up in waterspout or updraft, and then they fall to earth with raindrops. Reported that rains of fish, snakes, birds, frogs, or spiders, which have been happening in centuries. And that's all from me. Thank you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.
First question is from Eugen. No, she's not. Okay. Next question, or first question is from James. Is James still here?
Yeah.
What is your question?
Yeah. Do you believe in this topic you're researching?
I believe in scientific way. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next question, Lotus. Is Lotus still here? Has Lotus disappeared? Did not chase her away. How about Bam? Question from Bam.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, what is your question?
I just feel locked in the room. I guess.
Oh,
Sorry.
How about Joseph? Is Joseph here?
Yes, teacher.
What is your question?
Why did you choose this topic?
Why did I choose this topic, right?
Yeah.
Because like, believe it or not, back in the day that the teacher told us for this project, it was rain in that day, and I was thinking about what if I do about the things that call it rains like dogs and cats. It's kind of like why they're supposed to be like in the face of that, and I was curious about it. Yeah.
What if cats really rain down?
I might adopt them.
Okay, you could adopt all the
Yes.
cats.
Not all of them, just some. Yeah.
Full house full of cats. Okay. Thank you very much. Our next speaker is Wikawat.
Okay. Yes, teacher.